Hello guys, welcome to Hankins Custom Rifles, another episode of Hanks TV. Today's April the 7th. It's the opening day for the Kentucky Challenge Spring Shoot, and it snowed last night. So far we've had 2 shoots this year. It snowed on both days, but we'll manage. It's not that bad. A lot of people's here already. Roads aren't slick or nothing, so everybody will have a all right time getting in here. We've got several guys here already over there cooking the breakfast, so what we're going to do is just kind of walk around and show you what we got going on here this morning, and hopefully we'll be eating before too long. And if you come on with me, I'll show you what we got going on over here in the kitchen. So the one time we didn't put the tarps up on this big canopy here, we usually put tarps all the way across all this to kind of protect the stuff that we've got on these picnic tables and our gear. We do have this little tarp here I stretched across the gooseneck trailer, and we got a bunch of stuff piled up underneath there to kind of protect it from the snow. Got my gun and the door prizes and a few things under here. We got Lapua sitting there. He's waiting on piece of bacon or egg to hit the ground this morning. We come on over here, we've got a ice fishing hut. A couple guys slept in that last night, stayed warm. And come on over here, we got all the guys standing around waiting on the food. Got the pig in the smoker, and just waiting on something to eat here. That's all. Got Kyle Pittman over here taking care of the potatoes. Bill Travis over there cooking the eggs.
We'll get close to it, Jeff.
I think you nailed it. Yeah, right in the x-ray on that one there. Nothing wrong with it.
Let's go over here and see what else we got cooking. There's some more potatoes there. We got some gravy going on here. What kind of gravy is that going to be, Jeff?
This right here?
Yeah.
Dead-eye gravy.
That's dead-eye gravy?
That's
The good stuff.
Hankins gravy.
That's Hank's gravy?
Yeah.
All right. There's some bacon frying over there.
Spicy, not spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy and not spicy.
Yeah.
There it goes.
I like that. All right.
Bunch of eggs going on there.
I was thinking when I was at that Jersey down, I was going to be taking a bunch of it home because I got one. I did before. I was glad everybody ate it.
Looks like we got somebody pulling in here. I think that's that Steve Blankenship fella.
What are you parked down there for? I didn't
Well guys, here we are at the Kentucky Challenge Spring Shoot of 2018. This is April 7th and it's snowing again. And we're in the middle of the relay. This is the 100-yard relay. Group of guys that's going to shoot, and then we're going to switch the targets out and go to 200 yards. Got quite a few guys here today. We got 14 shooters. There's Travis back there waving. We got 14 shooters. I think we got 22
goes down
people
to a
here.
quarter-inch
23
dot
people
on the
here.
last one.
So we did pretty good considering the weather, and we're just going to continue on.
He's got 10 plates, started at 8 inches and go down by
That's the only thing that's going to suck is trying to shoot.
We got a nice barrel stove here, keeping everybody warm.
9/16. All right, guys, range is cold.
Thing puts out a lot of heat. Range is cold, so now we're going to switch out some targets and get ready for the relay at the 200 yards.
The idea is now you'll get
Okay guys, we're back shooting the match. We're at the 300-yard target now. We made it through the 1 and the 200
All right, guys,
yard.
range is cold. Range is cold.
Range is cold. That means everybody can pull out their earplugs and relax.
Shooter group number 2.
Group number 2 is moving to the benches. Relay number 2 moving to the benches. Gonna walk through the crowd here. Here's a nice little spot where we put some of our guns. People that ain't shooting can lean up their guns right there.
Yeah, I had to go for group. I was out to the right.
But I've seen good groups where some are.
We've got guys with spotting scopes looking at the groups.
I think all in the blue right at the top of the top. Funny, just
Everybody's switching out, moving their stuff from the bench to the bench. From the storage bench to the shooting bench.
That's a very good spot.
We've got some nice equipment that shows up down here, some high dollar spotting scopes, some nice rifle scopes, a little bit of everything down here. Mark Bruckelmeyer there's got a tripod that looks pretty nice. It looks like it's all carbon fiber.
Huh?
Pretty
Like
slick.
a little better score, but oh well.
The groups there, though. Yeah, groups there.
Snow's starting to melt. It's warming up, getting to be halfway decent today.
Richard shot good in that one.
Did you shoot good?
Richard and
300 yards. We're on the 300-yard targets, guys. Going to go out to 400 here in a bit, and the match will be over. And it's just fun shooting. There's an ugly face. There goes Blakely over there checking the pig. He's over at the grill.
Hang out, shoot. I'm sitting there thinking.
Well, guys, we're back down here at the Kentucky Challenge. It's warmed up. The snow's melted. Doesn't even look like it's the same day as it was when it started out this morning. The match is officially over. We've ate lunch. We've had our pulled pork. We've had pork and beans. We've had potato salad, coleslaw, cherry cheesecake, all kinds of good stuff to eat. Everybody's happy. Bellies are all full. Got a couple guys here looking over the scoreboards, double checking the math, and got a few guys over here getting ready to do some shooting. We're going to turn the range back on here in a few minutes, get everything going. Got a few people just sitting around here taking it easy. Got Dennis sitting there. He managed to keep all his shots on the paper all the way out to 400 yards. So he did pretty good. Russell and Mindy talking. Russell eating some of that cherry cheesecake. This guy here was a big help for us today. He did all the target running, kept the targets moving, buddy. We didn't have no downtime today.
She doesn't like loud noise.
That was good.
She shoots.
We got Will right there. He's 14 years old. He's in the 8th grade, right?
Yep.
And he's taller than I am. Just what, 6'3"?
Yeah, I'm 6'3".
6'3", 14 years old. So we got some pretty good fellers hanging around down here. We're going to turn the range back on, do a little more shooting. Get back with you guys later. Well, guys, the Kentucky Challenge is almost over. Got a few guys still hanging around, still shooting a few guns, still eating some food. Got Bill and Will over here. They're frying up some wild turkey they killed last week down in Tennessee. We've been munching on that a little bit. And we're about ready to pack it up for the afternoon. The shooting is over. It's 7 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. We'll hang out here till dark, and then we'll all meet back here in the morning for breakfast, and everybody can shake hands, give each other hugs, do whatever they feel like doing, and head for home. So we'll see y'all again tomorrow morning probably. Till then, take it easy. Good morning. We had a pretty good crew show up for breakfast. We just got done eating. We're packing everything up. Had another great breakfast. And we're just packing everything. Everybody will head home today. Everybody will be home before dark, most likely. And till next time, guys, this is the Kentucky Challenge Spring Shoot. Anybody interested in coming is more than welcome to attend. Just give me a call or look on Hank's message board.freeforums.net for information about the shoot. And if you do got questions, you can call. Feel free to come and hang out. learn about the smokeless muzzle loaders, and shoot a little friendly competition. We shoot all the way down to 450 yards. So until the next time, guys, this is going to conclude the video for the Kentucky Challenge Spring Shoot 2018. See you later.